Hey there, everyone. Today, we're diving into a juicy topic that's the backbone of all human connections: trust. You know, trust is like the foundation of a house. If the foundation isn't solid, well, the house just crumbles, doesn't it?
Right. So, trust is really important then, huh?
Absolutely. Building trust takes time. It's earned through actions like cultivating a garden, not just throwing around seeds anywhere. Can't just give trust away. It has to be nurtured.
That makes sense. So what happens when trust is broken? Can it ever really be mended?
Great question. Once trust is broken, it's like trying to fix a porcelain vase. Sure, you can glue it back together, but those cracks will always be visible. Rebuilding trust is hard, but not impossible.
Wow, I love that analogy. Porcelain, huh? So, what's the first step in even beginning to trust someone?
First off, honesty is crucial. You've got to keep it real. Think about it. If someone says one thing and then does another, it's like driving a car with no brakes. It's dangerous.
Haha, right. So it's all about those actions. But, how do we even know when to trust someone in the first place?
Good point. It's about consistency. If your friend always shows up on time and sticks to their word, that's a serious trust signal.
Okay. So, does keeping promises become sort of a big deal here?
Exactly. Picture it like a trust bank. Every promise kept is a deposit, and every promise broken is a withdrawal. The balance needs to tip toward positivity for trust to thrive.
So if someone takes too much out, can they ever recover it? Do you have a personal example?
Well, I once had a friend who broke my trust by sharing a secret I confided in them. Initially, I felt like a trust bank had been robbed. Rebuilding that bond took time, open conversations, and sincerity. After a lot of patience, we regained that trust, but it definitely tested our relationship.
Whoa, that sounds intense. But, do you think there are people out there who can just, recover from trust issues faster than others?
Absolutely. Some folks are naturally more forgiving, while others might need more time to process things. It really boils down to personal experiences and the emotional bank accounts we build over time.
Interesting. So would you say consistency is like the holy grail of rebuilding trust?
You've nailed it. Consistency creates this safe space where people can feel comfortable again. It's like being a sturdy tree in a storm, roots deep enough to withstand the hurt.
Right. So how does this whole trust thing spill over into friendships or romantic relationships?
Oh man, if there's no trust, it's like trying to dance without music. It just doesn't work. Trust fuels intimacy and understanding in friendships and relationships. When both partners are open and honest, it builds a connection that's hard to break.
What if, someone is just, untrustworthy? Is there a way to, let go while still being kind?
That's a tough one. It can mean drawing boundaries while acknowledging you've learned something valuable. It's like learning to ride a bike. You might fall, but getting back up is already a victory.
Haha, that's a great way to put it. So, is it fair to say that trust, once broken, is never the same?
It can be different, but it might also be stronger. With effort, it can transform into something new. Just like a sculpture, it might look different but carries depth and history.
Wow, love that visual. So, to summarize, actions speak louder than words, right?
Exactly. It all comes down to consistent actions, transparency, and those small things like keeping your promises. Trust is built brick by brick, and once you have it, it's a treasure worth protecting.
I'm definitely taking notes here. So, what's our parting thought for our listeners?
Just remember, trust is a delicate balance of honesty and reliability. Treat it well, and it will flourish. Thank you all for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more enlightening discussions. See you next time.
Yes, can't wait for the next episode.